What if I told you there's a way to spot profitable trading opportunities on Olymptrade without spending hours analyzing charts? What if you could get clear buy and sell signals that could help you make smarter trading decisions, even if you're a complete beginner? Look, I get it. You've probably stared at those red and green candles wondering, when do I buy? When do I sell? Well, today we're diving deep into Olymptrade signals, what they are, how they work, and most importantly, how you can use them to potentially improve your trading game. And stick around because I have a special gift for you at the end of this video. Now, before we jump in, let me be real with you for a second. About 2 years ago, I was exactly where you might be right now. Frustrated, losing more trades than I was winning, and honestly, I was about to quit trading altogether. I remember this one Thursday morning, I just lost my third trade in a row on Euro USD. I was down $120 for the week and my confidence was completely shot. That's when a fellow trader showed me how signals actually work on Olymptrade. It wasn't magic, it wasn't some secret formula, it was just understanding what the platform was already trying to tell me. 6 months later, my win rate had improved by 30%. Not because I became some trading genius overnight, but because I learned to read the signals properly. Alright, so here's exactly what we're covering in the next few minutes. What Olymptrade signals actually are, and why they're not just random arrows on your screen. The 3 main types of signals you'll see on the platform and when to trust each one, how to set up your dashboard. For maximum signal clarity, this one tip alone will save you hours. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot high probability signals and avoid the ones that will burn your account. Sound good? Let's do this. Okay, so first things first, what exactly are Olymptrade signals? Think of them as your trading assistant. They're algorithmic indicators that analyze market data way faster than you or I ever could, looking for patterns that suggest price might move up or down. Now, you'll see these signals in a few different places on Olymptrade. There are the built-in technical indicators like RSI and MACD. There are third-party signal providers, and there's also the social trading signals from other successful traders on the platform. But here's what most people get wrong. Signals aren't crystal balls. They're probabilities. A good signal might be right 70% of the time, which means 3 out of 10 trades might still lose. That's totally normal. Let me break down the 3 main types you need to know about. First, technical indicator signals. These are based on mathematical formulas analyzing price and volume. Think RSI, Bollinger Bands, moving averages. They're great for spotting trends and momentum. Second, pattern recognition signals. These identify chart patterns like triangles, head and shoulders, or double bottoms. They're awesome for predicting breakouts. And third, sentiment signals. These track what other traders are doing. If 80% of traders are buying Euro USD, that's valuable information, sometimes to follow, sometimes to fade. The magic happens when you combine all 3. That's when you get those high confidence setups that make trading actually profitable. Now, let me show you how to set this up properly. Log into your Olymptrade account and go to the indicators section. You don't need 20 different indicators cluttering your screen. That's a recipe for analysis paralysis. Here's my simple setup: RSI for momentum, a 20-period moving average for trend, and Bollinger Bands for volatility. That's it. Clean, simple, effective. Pro tip: adjust your time frame based on your trading style. If you're doing quick trades, use 1 or 5 minute charts. For longer positions, stick to hourly or daily charts. The signals are more reliable on longer time frames, but you'll get fewer opportunities. Here's your key takeaway from today. Olymptrade signals aren't about finding the perfect trade. They're about finding trades where you have a statistical edge. When you see multiple signals pointing in the same direction, when the technical analysis aligns with market sentiment, that's when you act with confidence. Remember, successful trading isn't about being right 100% of the time. It's about being right more often than you're wrong and managing your risk when you are wrong. Signals help you do both. Your next profitable trade might be just one signal away. The question is, are you ready to spot it? If this video helped you understand signals better, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And definitely subscribe with notifications on, because I'm dropping trading tutorials like this every week. Now, for your special gift, I have left a link in the description for you to sign up for free. You get $1,000 practice coins and deposit bonus when you are ready to play the real game.